When split testing signup forms, you'll create 2 or more iterations of the same form. Those iterations will have small differences like different imagery or maybe a different headline. To create the split test, click the Split Test Your Form button, give the test a name, and then choose how the test will be divided. 50-50 means 50% of the time one variation will be shown, 50% of the time the other variation. Once done, just grab the HTML for your form and paste it on your site. So go ahead, try this in your account today. If you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.